Window, no it doesn't, it's got a door lock problem. Sometimes when the lock goes on or off, it doesn't move. Obviously this one here works, but you know how sometimes in the back, same thing does not happen. Watch this, up, down, up, down. So as you can see, it's not really working. It does open. Fixed one on the front this morning. Found out what the issue was. Here's one I've taken off already. So 30 hex or something like that. Could not find one. So went ahead and used good old Allen key. Not even sure what size this one is, doesn't say on it. But it works. That undid that one. That undid that. And then we got one goes here, one goes here, and one goes on the front. All of them 7mm. So see that silver bracket? This should be welded or bolted or whatever, probably welded onto the frame of the door. As you can see, it's moving. When I lock it, when I unlock it, lock it, unlock it. So obviously needs to be put in place. What I'm gonna do, simply zip tie one through here, zip tie through the bracket, one there. Obviously make sure it's facing the right way it wants to. This is what broke. Stupid little bolt. Same on the front. As you can see, I have zip tied through the bracket, just holding on the window alignment or whatever, to the bit that's come off. A lot more sturdy. You watch the action. I mean, it does move, but boom. Hope's your uncle. Panels back on. Let's make sure you don't break any tabs. And obviously line up the rod first, is what I do. Line up the rod, put the tabs on, and then make sure that the latch, the door handle, is on. I messed up my first time. The first time I pull it, this was not attached. So let's have a moment of truth. See if this thing works still. You ready? Oh, have it. Get in. And then we got 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3 bolt. I know there's 4, but I found that 4th one lying on the floor, so I don't think it came off. One here. I guess one of them down here. There should be another one there. Maybe that one will fit, we'll see. And then finally that one. Lock in the handle.